She is superb. He is handsome. The kingfisher is beautiful. Three words are green in color. To which other words in the sentences they are related? That is what we are going to check first. The word superb, you can see it is clearly connected to she. The word handsome, it's clearly connected to he, and the word beautiful is clearly connected to the kingfisher. Now let's check the three sentences in the second table. Object. I will bring the moon. She bought a new car. The zebras are drinking water. Now let's check the words that are red in color, to which other words they are clearly connected. The word, the phrase the moon, you can see it is clearly connected to will bring. Will bring. The phrase a new car, it is clearly connected to bought. The word water is clearly connected to are drinking. Are drinking, not to zebras. But what is the case in the first table, the complement? There, the words are that are in green in color is clearly connected to the subjects she. So the words that describe subjects are called complement, and the words that are connected to verbs are called object. I hope you understood. So let's come to a conclusion by telling like this. You can see a formula to, I'll give you an easy formula to remember these things. When it comes to subject complement, the formula is subject plus forms of be plus complement. When it comes to uh, the object section, it is subject plus words showing actions plus object. After words showing actions, only object will come. After forms of be, only complement will come. Love you. If you say somebody, I love you, what is you in that sentence? The you is an object. Got it?